Everything heavy when we step up. You can't hang with a gang, you a solo. Yeah, everything check, Constella.
Wagwan beautiful people, I am Chev. If you're new to this channel, welcome Wagwan. Make sure you are subscribed down below. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I install this wig from MyFirstWig.com. And the uniqueness of this wig is that it is a T-part wig. Now you might wonder what the heck is a T-part wig. Now I'm about to show y'all. Now this is what inside of a T-part wig looks like. So it's not a full lace frontal. It's almost like a mixture of a closure and a frontal, so you don't have to worry about the whole wig being lace frontal. So you don't have to worry about bleaching the knots, nothing like that, especially with my first wig, because the wig comes as is. It comes exactly like this. So the first step that I'm going to do is make sure that everything is aligned properly. And actually the first step you want to do is make sure that the wig fits. You want to make sure that you actually get the correct measurement. Now my wig was slightly smaller, so I couldn't get it to go all the way up in the front to, you know, melt the entire frontal, but that's okay. I'm going to treat it as if it's a closure. So I'm just going to basically focus on the front. And honestly, this is my usual lazy girl method when I wear center part wigs, because sometimes, to be honest, I ain't got time to melt the entire frontal. Like, I just want to make sure that the wig feels secured and go. So what I use is a little bit of Got2b freezing spray, and then I take my blow dryer just to melt the frontal. Now don't worry about the wig cap that you're actually seeing right now, but I'm going to use makeup later on to just blend it all out. If you want to use the ball cap method, go ahead, but again, lazy girl method, I ain't got time for all of that. So I am trying to do the quickest method possible and just working with the wig that I have. So I'm just going to use a little bit of pump it up spritz, because listen, when you use a pump it up spritz, the wig is moving nowhere. Like my wig, it don't move with spritz. Okay, the pump it up spritz. Now I'm just going to tie down the lace just a little bit so that it could melt properly. I couldn't find my wig elastic band that I used to do the tension method. So if you have an elastic, like a wig elastic to melt your lace, use that. And now I'm just gonna flat iron the hair. The hair was so easy to flat iron. This is 100% human hair. All the details and the direct link to the wig will be in the description box. Like, it was so easy. Now I'm trying to do a little bit of black girl bob, you feel me? I'm trying to like bump them ends, because that is the style I was going for. So I'm just going to continue to do that. I didn't have to do anything extra. The wig was just that easy to melt down. Again, if you get your correct measurements and you fully lace the frontal, this wig will last, okay? Because the hair is thick and it's just bobbing, you feel me? It's just bobbing. That's all I gotta say for it. So I'm just creating a little bit of swoop to the doop action, you know how we do over here. And I just created some small swoops, like nothing extra. And this is how the hair is laying. So I'm just taking my wax stick just to make sure that I don't have any flyaways. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of LA Girl Pro Concealer, again, as I told you guys, to blend out that parting so that it doesn't look, you know, you don't see the little where the wig cap starts, because again, we didn't do the ball cap method. But if you do the ball cap method, you ain't got to worry about all of that. And just that easy, we are done, and the hair is flowing, the bob is bobbing, okay? And that is all that I have for you guys today. That was hella dramatic. I'm so sorry in advance, but yes girl, I am loving and feeling this hair. Now you probably already seen this on my channel, because I did a get ready with me wearing this exact wig, and y'all saw how I was doing it. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at @Chev. If you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, you need to go ahead and subscribe down below. And I will see you beautiful people in my next video. GWAN, big up on yourself. Bye guys.
Everything heavy when we step up. You can't hang with a gang, you a solo. Yeah, everything check, Constella. Let me